Today I have to get a pair of my trousers repaired here in Kathmandu. They've got a hole in them, or well, the seam is coming apart. I don't think they're particularly good quality. I didn't pay a lot of money for them off Amazon. I've looked on Google to find a tailor, and there's a tailor's around here somewhere, so I'll find one and see how much it would cost. I can't see it costing more than $1 or $2, but we'll soon find out. Ourselves crossed here. I think it's down that side street, just over there. Try to not get run over. They're all for buying new clothes rather than like alterations and stuff. That's what I was looking for. Another thing I've noticed is I've been walking around in this jacket all day, which isn't really a jacket, and it's getting cold, so I want to put a down jacket on. In the day it was okay, the temperature was like 12, 13 when it was sunny, but now the sun's gone down and it's very quickly getting cold. Sandals, mobile phone repairs, shoe repair. Well, I found this shop, which I'm assuming is a tailor. It's written in Hindi, or Nepali, so I don't really understand what it says, but I'll go in and ask. See here, it's torn. इसकी क्या चार्ज होगा?
इसको 20 रुपये।
20 वीडियो बना लो। ठीक है, वीडियो
सिलाई का?
हाँ, सिलाई का है। दिखाने नेपाल में कैसे कपड़े ठीक होते हैं। ठीक है,
ठीक है,
ठीक है, ठीक है।
यहाँ पे भी गया हुआ है। घूमने के लिए आए हैं?
घूमने के लिए आया हूँ। पहली दफा आया हूँ नेपाल।
पहली दफा आए हैं। टीम में?
हाँ?
ग्रुप में आए हुए हैं?
नहीं, वैसे अकेले आया हूँ।
अकेले आए हैं? कहाँ पे ठहरे हैं? ठमेल में?
हॉस्टल नज़दीकी है, सामने वाली गली में।
कोई दोस्त वगैरह है?
नहीं, वैसे ही।
कई रोज हो गए? कई रोज हो गए इधर?
कोई रोज, मुझे समझ नहीं है कोई रोज
कितने दिन हो गए?
और कितने दिन? मैं कल आया था, कल शाम को।
कल शाम को आया?
कल रात को आया था।
तो ऑनलाइन बुकिंग किए हैं वो?
हाँ, ऑनलाइन बुकिंग, फ्लाइट ऑनलाइन, सब कुछ ऑनलाइन।
सब ऑनलाइन।
इधर 5-6 दिन होगा, फिर पोखरा।
यानी 2-3 हफ्ता का वो है प्लानिंग?
2 हफ्ते शायद। हाँ, 2 हफ्ते आई थिंक काफी होगा। हो गया, ठीक है, मजबूती के साथ।
दाएं बाएं देख सकते।
ठीक है। Thank you. That's all done. It took literally 5 minutes. I just walked there. He was there with the sewing machine, got it done, and the total price 20 Nepali rupees, which is 12 pence. I'm a big believer in reduce, reuse, recycle, and that is the pure essence of reuse. I mean, in the UK I paid 10 or 12 pounds for these trousers, Now in the UK, to get that fixed, you'll be looking £10 at least. So that's why we have this throwaway culture. It's always like cheaper and easier just to throw it away and buy a new pair. If you can fix your old stuff, it's much better. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed watching it. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll catch up with you guys next time.